Where are they? Where can they be? No moon, no stars, no nothing. The moon and the stars are nowhere to be found. The moon and the stars are nowhere to be found.
Huh? What is that noise in the dead of night? What is going on?
What is that? Can you hear that?
There's another one. And another.
Look, a star.
Look, the stars are coming back.
And another one.
Tinga Tinga, lost in night, had no stars, had no light. Now they come to shine, shine their light on everyone. Once was dark, now it's light. On this light come Tinga night.
Elephant, the stars are coming back.
Can some beast tell me what is going on?
Oh, Your Majesty, it has been one of the darkest nights in Tinga Tinga.
The moon and the stars disappeared.
And what is that tapping sound?
I don't know, but it's something to do with the stars coming back. That's for sure. Look. Oh. It's the moon. The moon is back. Back
Tinga Tinga, lost in night.
Lost in night.
Now the moon.
Shining bright, it's so glorious, 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 glorious.
How wonderful. All is good with the night again. Eagle, how did you do it?
It wasn't me.
Owl, did you summon the moon?
No. I was here all the time.
Well, it's a total mystery then. What is she trying to say?